Why do some of Nigeria's biggest real estate investments happen in Lagos and Abuja, while cities like Onitsha continue to struggle with modern housing? And what if one man, an Igbo billionaire from Anambra State, could change that story? This is the story of Chiedu Nweke, the mind behind some of Nigeria's most luxurious estates. From swampy, abandoned land to billionaire luxury development, that's the kind of transformation Dr. Chiedu Nweke is known for. A lawyer by training or a visionary by nature, is the founder of Periwinkle Residences, one of Nigeria's leading luxury real estate brands.
So this is Oxygen Condos by Periwinkle. This condos was delivered at 2-bedroom, about 70 million per one. But as I'm talking to you, it's about 300 million. That's what we really said, and people are paying rent of about 25 million to get about 3-bedroom and about 20 million for 2-bed. So Periwinkle is top notch with high-rise villas, terraces. I'm already getting tired from the tour of the estate, but I'll show you the new one going on where you can actually subscribe and be part of this amazing. Got some amazing flats coming up. 2-bed, 3-beds, selling out fast. We look at the serenity of the estate. So just like you said, this is the Billionaires destination. There is access road from here to hit inside the condos.
But here's the question many people are now asking. Why are most of his biggest projects in Lagos and North Anambra State? Dr. Nweke did not start big. He began with law, dredging, logistics, and oil waste management before making a bold move into real estate. At a time when many saw swamps and unlivable terrain in Lagos, he saw opportunity. Their vision gave birth to projects like Periwinkle Lifestyle Estate in Lekki, Orange Island, development in Eco Atlantic. These are not just buildings, they are lifestyle ecosystems, places where people can live, work, and relax without leaving their environment. His development attracts Nigeria's elite. Even social figures like Cubana Chief Priest have invested in his properties, luxury villas, private cinemas, waterfront views. This is the level of real estate we are talking about. But here's where the conversation gets interesting. Dr. Chiedu Nweke is from Akuzo in Anambra State. So, why are most of these world-class developments happening in Lagos? Why not in Onitsha, Oka, or even Nnewi? Many Anambrarians are beginning to ask questions. Why do Igbo billionaires build wealth at home but invest massively elsewhere? Is it better infrastructure in Lagos? Is it government support and policies? Is it security concerns? Or simply business strategy? Because the truth is, real estate thrives where there is stable policy, strong infrastructure, and investor confidence. Now imagine this. What if a developer like Dr. Nweke partners with the Anambra State government? What if the same transformation seen in Lekki is brought to Onitsha? We are talking about modern estates, structured housing, organized urban planning. This could completely redefine the image of the city. Some voices are now suggesting a collaboration between Anambra State and private developers like Chiedu Nweke, because government alone cannot do it, and private investors need trust, support, and a clear vision. The reality is simple. Investment goes where it is welcomed. If Anambra State creates the right environment, developers will come, not just Dr. Nweke, but many others. So this is no longer just about one man. It's about vision, leadership, and the future of southeastern Nigeria. The question is not, can it be done? The real question is, who is ready to make it happen? What do you think? Should Igbo billionaires invest more in their home state? And can Onitsha become the next real estate hub? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep stories like this.